Next one topic is our balancing the chemical equation. Now how to balance them? First of all, now check in the left hand side they are called reactant and in the right hand side they are called products. So and the symbol of the symbol of the triangle, it shows that effect of heat. In the presence of heat, calcium carbonate breaks down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is also a type of decomposition reaction. Now how to balance them? First of all, write all the name of the elements calcium, carbon, oxygen that are involved in the chemical reaction. Now check how many calcium are there. Calcium is 1 and in the product side or right hand side calcium is 1 and the carbon it is also 1 and carbon in the product side or right hand side it is also 1 and for the oxygen 3 and in the right hand side one oxygen is here and two oxygen are here, so this is 3. Now check 1 1 1 1 3 3, it means that it is already balanced, so it is a balanced, already a balanced chemical equation. Let's move to the next one example. Now take another example. In the another example, nitrogen it reacts with hydrogen gas to form a ammonia. Formula of ammonia is NH3, ammonia gas. Okay. So nitrogen, how many nitrogen are there? Two nitrogen are there in the left hand side and in the next case it is 1. So hydrogen, how many hydrogen? It is again 2 and hydrogen is 3. Now check 2 1 2 3, they are not balanced and how to balance them? So first of all, now check there are 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen. First of all, let balance them. Balance them. So I multiply this by 2. Now it becomes 6. So we have to multiply this by 3. Now it is also 6. So first insert here 2. I insert here 2. So how many nitrogen? Nitrogen is 2. It becomes now 2 nitrogen. It is balanced. How many hydrogen here? It is 2 into 3. It is 6. Here we have 6 and 2 into 3, 6. So we have to insert here 3. Now 3 to the 6. Again check and 2 and 2 and here and 2. Next case 3 to the 6, 6 hydrogen, 3 to the 6, 6 hydrogen. Now it is balanced. Let's take another example. Aluminium plus Fe2O3 Al2O3 plus Fe. Now we have to balance this equation. So now check Al, how many Al are here? 1. In the next case Al is 2. For the iron is here 2. Iron here 1. Oxygen is 3. Oxygen is 3. So oxygen is balanced. Where is the disturbance? Aluminium and Fe. So here what we will do, for the aluminium we write here 2 here, 2 here. So 1 into 2, now it is balanced. So 2 goes here, 2 Al, it is balanced now. So 2 Al, now what is left here? Iron is left here. So for the case of iron we multiply this by 2. 2 iron, so 2 is here. Now again check 2 ones are 2 and 2 is here, balance. 2 1 into 2, it is also balanced. Oxygen was already balanced. Now check for the equation 2Al, 2Al is also here and Fe2, 2 Fe is there. Oxygen, 3 oxygen are there, 3 oxygen are there. Now it is completely balanced. Do the remaining parts of this question and try to use the table number, not the table.